What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy TURBOGOTBANDZ, and I'm back with another video, man. Back with another banger. So, as y'all see, man, your boy got the interior lights done. So, what I'm gonna do is, man, I'm gonna do me like a little small little POV ride to work. Now, mind you, I still got a couple of things that I gotta do to the car, which is I gotta get a brand new clock spring, cause, bro, my clock spring messed up. And I gotta see why my airbag isn't working. Like, my horn literally isn't working. So those are the two things that I gotta get situated. And also I gotta get a right side door panel, the black one. Like, this one is black, over there is like type whitish, like the cream color. So, you know, I gotta get those done, and then after that, bro, that's it. And once I get that new paddle shifter, clock spring, my paddle shifters and shit'll work. Like, none of these buttons on my steering wheel is working, but I'm going to get an LED steering wheel anyway. So, you know what I'm saying? We got all of that coming. So yeah, y'all folks just gotta stay tuned to my channel and, you know, be aware. But hey, everything is really going A1 with the car so far. Like, I really like how everything is really coming together. And also, I meant to tell y'all though, I gotta get a rack opinion because it's throwing off my alignment like bad. Like, if y'all can see, bro, my wheel, like I'm finna let go of the car. Watch, let go of the wheel. It goes right. You see how it's going right? Yeah. But hey, man, you can really see if you in the car with me. But hey, that's just what's going on with my shit right now. So we ain't got too much we gotta really do. It's almost done. But I got a lot of new mods coming for the car. So y'all folks just gotta bear with me, bro. And you know, we gonna enjoy our time with this whip. But right now, since we're going down this you know, good little road, we're gonna change. Hold on, let y'all boys see. Let me turn up the little brightness real quick. We're gonna put the car into your dig mode. I just put the engine in sport due to my paddle shifter's not working, and I gotta fix my traction control. So yeah, now we on. I'm gonna let down the window just a little bit so y'all can hear. Still sound lovely. Yes, sir. This bitch sound lovely though, I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, and he turning off. This is perfect. This is, bro, listen, I knew to pick up the camera this morning. And y'all folk don't be talking about all the lights that's on my dash, bro. No cap. Let me look, hold on. Let me take one of the lights off. Let me put my seatbelt on. I'm gonna take one of the lights off. Hold on. What's this shit? Took one on off. Damn! This motherfucker be sounding so good. Oh my God. I just can't wait till my paddle shifters to work. Motherfucker sound good. Let me let the window up though. But yeah, man, like I said, bro, the car sounds good, bro. It's running good. You know, it's doing what it's supposed to do right now for me, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm in love with the way I did this car, bro. And I still got a lot more to do, bro. Like, people don't understand, like, bro, when you build your own car, bro, you cherish the car way more than you buying the car straight off the lot, bro. Because it's like, bro, you know the ins and outs of the car, bro. A lot of people can't say they know the ins and outs of their car for real because they not the ones really touching it, diagnosing it. Like, true enough, when I first started building my car, bro, I ain't even gonna lie, I did not know nothing about the car, bro. Like, I was watching YouTubers do goddamn swaps and shit. So it's like, bro, they got the same two hands I got, bro. So if they could do it, I know I could do it. You feel what I'm saying? So that's why I took the initiative to goddamn, I was like, bro, look, I got the same two cars all these folks getting legally. So, you know what I'm saying? So I might as well go ahead and pipe my shit up. And that's what I did. Like, I had literally zero to no knowledge, bro, when I did my swap. And once I did it, it's like, shit, bro, like, bro, I want to keep doing them. So who knows what I might do next, bro. Like, this is not my first SRT. Like, this is my second one. I had a 392 Scatpack Charger at first, but now I got a Chrysler 300 Scatpack. So you feel what I'm saying? This shit is just meant to be, bro. No cap. And I ain't gonna lie, ain't no telling when I'm gonna have everything done. But listen, that's just the whole point of y'all stand for this process, bro. Y'all boys just stand down with me because, like, bro, no cap, this is gonna be a great journey, bro. And another thing, I don't even just do, I know I'm yapping a lot, but it's just like, I don't even do just car content, bro. I got so much shit in store, and y'all don't even understand. It's just like, bro, I knew this was gonna grab y'all attention. So once this grab y'all attention, I can just ease on into what I really be doing on the side and shit like that. And I ain't gonna lie, I know y'all gonna fuck with it, cause like, bro, shit, who would it? But I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet for the rest of this little POV, man. I'm gonna let y'all boys just listen to the car. And yeah, I got a little bit of traffic in front of me, so whenever I get a little opening, I'm gonna hit it. But yeah, catch y'all boys. So y'all, that's pretty much it for today's POV of the whip. Because, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to go ahead and go to work. No, I do not work in no quit truck. I just stop here because it's good fucking lighting. But I'm gonna give y'all a quick little walk around of the 300 because I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna look totally different when I'm done with this bit. Don't look at my door panel over there. I told y'all niggas it's fucked up. But yeah, this is the full walk around of the 300. New bumper and new hood is on the way, bro. New front bumper, new hood, and new rear bumper. But yeah, man, as y'all see, this is the 300. I got a new rear spoiler on the way and diffuser. So we gonna do videos on all that shit, but this is how you feel what I'm saying? This is how the interior looks. Don't worry about that. That's the lights. But yeah, that bit looking good, man. Headliner getting put on this weekend, so y'all folks stay tuned. They do it.